This meat-filled pastry I brought you today is completely crispy, fluffy, and delicious. Stay with me until the end of the video as I explain step by step how to make it. The model you see now, I fried in oil and I baked this one in the oven. Both versions are really great, so be sure to try them. First, we prepare our pastry dough. We pour the egg, along with vanilla, milk, yeast, sugar, and also vegetable oil into a bowl. We mix the ingredients a bit, and finally, gradually add the flour and baking powder to our mixture until we have a completely soft and smooth dough. So, be sure to add the flour gradually. Don't let the dough absorb too much flour because if your dough is too stiff and heavy, the quality of your pastry will decrease. We knead the dough for about 8 minutes with a machine and about 12 minutes by hand. Finally, we shape our dough into a ball, cover it, and let it rest for 1 hour. Now, we prepare the filling. We fry the onion in oil until it's fried. The onions turned golden. We add turmeric, black pepper, and also ground meat to it, and fry the ingredients. Finally, we add the peas and bell pepper to the meat and mix the ingredients. At the end, we add the tomato paste to our ingredients, sauté them, and let it cool completely. Puff. After resting, we take our dough, knead it a little, divide it in half, and put 1/2 in a plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out. We shape the other half into a ball and start rolling out the dough with a rolling pin. We roll the dough to a thickness of about 4 to 5 millimeters and start cutting out shapes. Make sure to put the leftover dough in plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out. Now we place some of the filling and also mozzarella cheese inside each piece of dough and seal the edges completely with our hands. We can shape our dough in several ways. One way is this model, or we can shape our dough like this. That is, when you put the meat and pizza cheese between the dough, completely seal the edges of the dough and use a fork to press down on the dough like this. In my opinion, this is the simplest and best method. We place the doughs in a container, cover them, and let them rest for 15 minutes. Now we place the pastries in oil that has been thoroughly heated beforehand, and we continuously pour oil over the surface of the pastries like this to make them puff up. Make sure the heat is low so that our dough is completely cooked through. When both sides of the pastries are fried, we take them out of the oil and place them on a towel to absorb the excess oil. For the oven model, after shaping the pastries, we place them on a tray, cover them, and let them rest for 15 minutes. After resting, we brush them with milk and put them in the preheated oven. We place them